Okay, we're going to do this problem another way. If you look at it carefully, it is a cubic curve. So a cubic curve goes like this, or it goes like this. Which one is it? Okay? Are the slopes going to be positive over here, or are they going to be negative? So this is all we want to find out. So let's take the derivative of this thing. Okay, we'll take the derivative, and that'll be negative 12. That'll be 18x, and this will be negative 6x squared. Okay, so let's set it equal to 0. And we're going to set it up minus 6x squared plus 18x equal to 0. And let's take out a negative. It'll make it look like 6x squared minus 18x plus 12 equals 0. And we can divide by 6, so it looks like this. X squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. And this factors x minus 2, x minus 1. And we see that over here, set it equal to 0. X can be 2, it goes to 0. X can be 1, and it goes to 0. So let's say that this here is 1 over here, and this is 2 over here on the curve. Okay, let's see what happens when the slope is to the left of 1. Okay, so let's say when x is less than 1, okay, we're going to look at this right here, less than 1. Okay, let's go to 0. So looking at this sign is negative. This is 0, this is negative. This is 0, it's negative. 3 negatives make it negative. So that means to the left of 0, the slopes are negative. So it looks like the curve is going to go this. It looks like it's going to be the black curve. Okay, let's go in the middle between 1 and 2, like 3 halves. X lies between 1 and 2. Let's use 3 halves. Okay, if I put 3, so this is negative. 1.5, this is going to be negative. 1.5, that's going to be 1, makes that positive. So the 2 negatives make it positive. So between 1 and 2, the slope is positive. Okay? And if we pick x greater than 2, like let's say 3, okay, this is negative. 3 minus 2 is positive. 3 minus 1 is positive. 1 negative makes it negative. So that becomes the curve is this one over here. So we can see that we have a minimum at 1, we have a maximum of 2. If we want to find the inflection point over here, we have to take the derivative of this over here. Where is it? Let's take the derivative of this over here. This is going to become minus 12x. And this is going to become plus 18. Set it equal to 0. This is f double dash at x. Okay? And we want to find out what happens to x. So this becomes 18 is equal to 12x. Divide by 12, divide by 12. X becomes 3 halves. This is called the point of inflection. And that happens right here at 3 halves.